Hydrogen is the lightest and most abundant element in the entire universe, indeed constituting over 75% by weight of the visible universe. Despite being the most widespread, it was only discovered in 1766 by the wealthy and eccentric Harry Cavendish. Able to afford a private laboratory in London, Cavendish, among various crazy and inconclusive experiments, conducted one that remained in history. By impregnating some metals with acids, he saw the emergence of a light but very reactive gas, hydrogen. Once he learned to control the element, he also indulged in spectacular explosions, igniting mixtures of this gas with air to obtain water. The news spread immediately, or rather immediately for the times of that era. In fact, 17 years later, in 1783, the French chemist Lavoisier was already experimenting with more precise explosions of hydrogen with pure oxygen to produce water. And when in the same summer of that year, Lavoisier learned about the Montgolfier brothers, who took flight with the first hot air balloon, he immediately realized that ultralight hydrogen would be an ideal gas to fill this balloon. That idea was later exploited because hydrogen was used in the first airship, such as the Guildebook. Yes, indeed, the gigantic airship that exploded in flight on May 6, 1937, killing 33 of the 97 passengers on board. Apparently, a lightning strike ignited the combustion of the live-leak hydrogen, which in just 34 seconds transformed the aircraft into a fiery carcass. With this catastrophe, the era of airships ended, and hydrogen became increasingly a gas to avoid. However, as much as hydrogen may frighten us, we must learn to live with it, since every second the sun burns 600 million tons of hydrogen, sending 1.5 kilos per second to the Earth, and without asking for permission. On the other hand, hydrogen, to make up for past incidents, and who knows, maybe even future ones, gives us the wonderful light of dawn, the comforting warmth of a summer afternoon, and the romantic reddish glows of sunset. What do you say? Shall we forgive it?